Thanks for watching my channel on YouTube, BA Dad and Sons. We appreciate it. Don't have any helpers today, flying solo. What you're looking at right here, guys, is the WPL C24 1/16 scale RC Kit truck. Yes, this is the kit version. They sell two versions of this truck. WPL has a long list of models ranging from military trucks to trucks like this, things similar to Unimogs, old farm tractor trucks. They're very scale. They're pretty awesome trucks. So I just wanted to share this one with you guys. This is one that I got for Christmas last year. I just haven't done a video on it, and there's a lot of hype about them, and for a good reason. This truck, these things are pretty amazing. They sell them, like I said, ready to run. Non-kit version, they're all put together. They do come with cheaper components, like the tires are harder in the ready-to-run versions. They give you a little bit of a lesser motor, a 130 motor. The electronics are subpar. The original WPL ready-to-run versions had all or nothing steering. So there was no proportional steering. The new ready-to-runs, which I will give you a link to and where you can get them, do have proportional steering and throttle, unlike the originals, so they've made an improvement. But these kit versions, they give you better tires, much softer tires, better motor. I believe the transmission is a little bit better too. I get steel diffs and diff gears front and back in this model. The ready-to-run versions don't. I think the new ready-to-run version does, excuse me, but anyway. So yeah, this is the kit version. It has several pieces that you have to put together. I don't know exactly how many pieces, but it took me pretty much a whole night to build. It wasn't really difficult. The directions were not the best, but they're good enough, they're adequate, that you can figure out how to get this thing together. I don't know if you can see this. It has a metal frame. It has a gearbox. This one right here, I ordered a set of lights to go into it. It didn't have lights that came with it, so I ordered lights. What else can I say about this? I used the FlySky receivers in a lot of my models. So this is the FlySky GS2, I believe, or FS2, and I bound it with my FlySky transmitter here, which is, I love this transmitter. It's awesome. Other than sucking up a lot of AA batteries, it's really awesome if you are using FlySky receivers. But yeah, the electronics, I ordered a servo, really cheap servo with metal gears online, and the electronics I ordered online from WPL. This whole thing, kit, the car, the parts, the receiver, the servo, everything was just about 45 bucks. Now guys, you can't tell me you can find a ready to run 1/16 scale rock crawler that can do what this thing can do for $45. You're just not going to find it anywhere. And I'm not trying to sell this to you, but I am kind of bragging about it, because really, for what they are, they're amazing, really. Their scale, they have some excellent climbing ability. It'd be nice if they had a slightly bigger motor, but the 180 size motor doesn't seem to really seem to bog it down or anything. And I mean, it's not a speed demon, it's not fast, but it's fast enough, and it has plenty enough torque. I don't know if you can notice, I put my own decals on there. These are just decals I had from other RC cars that I wanted to throw on. You can do whatever you want. You can paint these things. The kit versions come in usually blue and red. The new RTR version comes in, I believe, I think it's white and black. I'm not 100% sure. And and tan. So whether you get a kit version or an RTR version, I believe with the new RTRs, with the upgrades that they've added to these things, for bang for your buck, and that's what I'm all about when it comes to the RC hobby. Bang for your buck. This is a solid purchase right here. You can't really get much better than this. Plastic. I guess they even sell metal bodies for these now. And I would take, to show you how I set this up, and inside I would take it all apart, but I'm not gonna, because it's kind of a pain in the ass to take it apart. But anyway, really has good articulation for the suspension that they give you. I mean, it's lifelike. It's not unlifelike. It's very realistic, and I think any young kid or any grown-up would definitely enjoy this. So check these out. WPL, you can find them on eBay, Amazon. Just type in WPL on a search engine, and you'll find where you can get them. Banggood.com has them. AliExpress, as much as I don't care for them because their shipping is subpar, I believe. Banggood. What else? There's a couple other ones. Anyway, but you can find them even on Amazon, and like I said, the part support is amazing. So guys, WPL C24. If you like the Toyota style trucks, the old school trucks, this is awesome. All these little accessories, the mirrors, snorkel, windshield wipers, the cap, the windows, got to install into the cap. That all comes in pieces, but you put it together, and no glue on this truck whatsoever, except for the on and off switch that I glued on. I just buried it in hot glue, and I think I glued the tail lights in on the back with some hot glue just to keep them in, so they wouldn't get pushed out. But yeah, everything. No glue necessary really, unless you break something and you need to glue it together. Also these side step boards, those you gotta put on. Yeah, pretty cool kit to put together anyway. I'm gonna stop blabbing, let you watch the videos that I put together, put some music to them. Enjoy. Oh yeah, and this does have a battery. I purchased these. This is this is the thing, guys. This is part of the $45 that I spent for this truck. Everything that I bought for it. I got a 500, I believe this is a lithium-ion battery. It stores in the compartment over here, kind of out of the way. You can keep your truck like this, or you can put the cap on it. I like the cap on it because it reminds me of my old, I used to have a Nissan as a daily driver, Nissan hardbody, the same exact color. I had one of these, it was painted black, and yeah, I was up on 33s. It just reminded me a lot of this. So that's why that's what intrigued me to buy this. I was like, wow, that's my old Nissan. So anyway, even though most people think it looks like a Toyota, I also see my Nissan in it. Guys, this is a good one. Don't pass it up.